Greetings, knowledge seekers. Welcome to InvestorWeb, your trusted channel for personal development and financial growth. We're here to arm you with insightful, practical content that elevates your understanding of personal growth and financial literacy. Our mission is to help you navigate the ever-changing world around us with intelligence and savvy. So buckle up and prepare to expand your horizons. Today we delve into an intriguing topic: how to get smarter in 2024. First off, what does it mean to be smart? It's not just about IQ scores and academic achievements. That's a common misconception. Being smart is not confined to the four walls of a classroom or the pages of a textbook. So, what then does smartness entail? Smartness, my friends, is a rich tapestry woven from various threads. One of these threads is critical thinking. This is the ability to analyze situations, identify patterns, and make reasoned decisions. It's about asking the right questions, not just knowing the answers. But that's not all. Emotional intelligence is another significant aspect of smartness. It's about understanding and managing your own emotions, as well as empathizing with others. It's about recognizing that every person you interact with has their own unique perspective and respecting that. Creativity is another key component. This is the ability to think outside the box, to innovate, and to see connections where others don't. It's about challenging the status quo and finding new ways to solve problems. Adaptability also plays a big part. The world is constantly changing, and being smart means being able to keep up with these changes, to learn, unlearn, and relearn as necessary. Lastly, there's lifelong learning. This is the commitment to continually expanding your knowledge and skills, to never stop growing and evolving. So being smart is about nurturing these aspects. Now, how do we do that? The first step in getting smarter is to cultivate a growth mindset. What do we mean by a growth mindset? It's a belief that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. It's not about being born smart or talented, but rather about nurturing your potential and embracing challenges as pathways to improvement. Why is a growth mindset important? Well, it's a catalyst for change and development. It's the spark that lights the fire of curiosity and the fuel that drives the engine of ongoing learning. It's a lens through which obstacles become stepping stones and mistakes turn into lessons. It's the key to unlocking the door to getting smarter. So how do you cultivate a growth mindset? First, you must challenge yourself. Step out of your comfort zone and take on tasks that stretch your abilities. Don't be afraid of the unknown. Embrace it as an opportunity to learn something new. Remember, every great achievement was once something someone hadn't done before. Second, don't shy away from failures. Instead, see them as an integral part of the learning process. When you stumble and fall, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Use every setback as an opportunity to grow and improve. Third, seek out feedback. Constructive criticism is a mirror that reflects your strengths and weaknesses. Use it to identify areas for improvement and to track your progress. Lastly, cultivate patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a growth mindset. It takes time, effort, and persistence. But rest assured, the rewards are worth every ounce of effort. To sum up, a growth mindset is about believing in your ability to learn and grow. It's about embracing challenges, persisting in the face of setbacks, seeing effort as a path to mastery, learning from criticism, and finding lessons and inspiration in the success of others. So challenge yourself, embrace failures, seek feedback, and be patient. Start cultivating your growth mindset today and unlock your potential to get smarter. Remember, a growth mindset is the foundation of becoming smarter. The second step is to become a lifelong learner. This is a crucial aspect of becoming smarter in 2024 and beyond. You see, intelligence isn't a static trait. It's not a one-time achievement that you can unlock and then sit back content with your accomplishment. Rather, it's a dynamic, evolving process that requires consistent effort and dedication. Lifelong learning is about embracing the fact that there's always something new to learn, no matter how much you already know. It's about recognizing that the world is vast and complex, filled with endless opportunities for discovery and growth. It's about realizing that every day presents a chance to expand your horizons, to delve deeper into familiar topics, or to venture into entirely new territories. So, how can you cultivate this mindset of perpetual learning? Well, there are a myriad of ways to do so. Consider enrolling in online courses. The internet offers a wealth of resources, from free educational platforms to more structured and in-depth programs. You can study anything from quantum physics to ancient history, from graphic design to wildlife conservation. All you need is curiosity and a reliable internet connection. Reading is another effective method. Books are windows into other worlds, other minds, other disciplines. They allow you to explore different perspectives, to gain insights into diverse fields of knowledge. Whether you prefer fiction or non-fiction, science or philosophy, literature or biographies, there's a book out there that can teach you something new. Seminars and workshops can also be beneficial. These events provide opportunities to learn from experts, to engage in discussions, to network with like-minded individuals. You can gain practical skills, acquire theoretical knowledge, and even discover new passions. And let's not forget about learning from everyday experiences. Life itself is a profound teacher. Every interaction, every observation, every challenge can be a source of wisdom, if only we're open to it. Remember, lifelong learning isn't about accumulating facts or memorizing information. It's about developing a deep, nuanced understanding of the world and our place in it. It's about fostering a mindset of curiosity, openness, and humility. It's about becoming a better thinker, a better problem solver, a better human being. Lifelong learning is a journey, not a destination. It's about constantly enriching your knowledge and skills. The third step might surprise you. It's leading a healthy lifestyle. You might be wondering, how does physical health relate to getting smarter? Well, the answer lies in the intricate connection between our bodies and our brains. Our brains, like every other organ in our body, require vital nutrients to function optimally. A well-balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, can fuel your brain and enhance cognitive abilities. Omega-3 fatty acids found in foods like fish and walnuts are particularly beneficial for brain health. So the next time you're planning your meal, remember, you're not just feeding your body, you're feeding your mind. Physical exercise is another key component of a healthy lifestyle that can boost your brain power. Regular physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients that improve its function. Moreover, exercise stimulates the production of chemicals in the brain that enhance the growth of new brain cells and connections. Whether it's a morning run, an evening yoga session, or simply taking the stairs instead of the elevator, every bit of movement counts. Lastly, let's not forget the importance of a good night's sleep. Sleep is the time when our brains rest, regenerate, and consolidate information. Inadequate sleep can impair memory, creativity, and problem-solving skills, all crucial for building intelligence. So do ensure that you're getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. In our pursuit of getting smarter, it's easy to overlook our physical health. But remember, your brain is part of your body, and if your body isn't healthy, it can't support your brain's growth. By taking care of your physical health, you're also taking care of your cognitive health. So let's break the stereotype that intellect and fitness are mutually exclusive. Embrace a balanced diet, engage in regular exercise, and prioritize sleep, because a healthy body houses a healthy mind. So take care of your physical health. The fourth and final step is to enhance your social interaction and emotional intelligence. In our interconnected world, the ability to effectively communicate with others, understand their perspectives, and empathize with their emotions is a key aspect of intelligence. This is where social interaction and emotional intelligence come into play. When you interact with diverse individuals, you're exposed to a variety of thoughts, ideas, and experiences. This diversity can broaden your horizons, challenge your assumptions, and stimulate your creative thinking. It's like a mental workout, pushing you to think more deeply and critically. And then there's emotional intelligence, the capacity to be aware of, control, and express one's emotions, and to handle interpersonal relationships judiciously and empathetically. Emotional intelligence is about more than just recognizing your own emotions. It also involves understanding the emotions of others, which can help you navigate social situations more effectively. Research has shown that people with high emotional intelligence tend to be more successful in both their personal and professional lives. They're better at managing stress, solving problems, and maintaining relationships. They're more adaptable, resilient, and they generally have a more positive outlook on life. So engage in meaningful conversations, be open to new experiences. Practice empathy, understand your emotions and those of others. Your emotional intelligence and ability to connect with others can significantly enhance your smartness. There you have it, 4 practical steps to getting smarter in 2024. We've delved into adopting a growth mindset, the significance of becoming a lifelong learner, the role of a healthy lifestyle in boosting your cognitive abilities, and the value of improving social and emotional intelligence. These aren't just tips, they're a blueprint for a more enlightened you. Thank you for joining us on Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep investing in your intelligence.